Good evening, and welcome to Counting the Cosmos, a sleep story for adults. Imagine holding a single grain of sand between your fingers. Now imagine that every grain of sand on every beach on Earth represents an entire galaxy. Even with this mind-boggling comparison, you'd still fall short of capturing the true number of stars that exist in our universe. That's how vast our cosmos truly is. Tonight, as you prepare for sleep, we'll explore this cosmic abundance together, a journey that will carry you from wonder to peaceful slumber beneath a canopy of countless stars. Go ahead and make yourself comfortable as you settle in. Adjust your pillow, feel the weight of your blanket, and allow your body to sink gently into the mattress beneath you. With each breath, feel the tension melting away from your muscles, starting from your toes and gradually moving upward through your entire body. Tonight, we'll embark on a journey of cosmic perspective, a peaceful exploration of the vast number of stars that illuminate our universe. As we contemplate the incomprehensible scale of creation, allow yourself to be lulled into a state of tranquil wonder that will carry you effortlessly into sleep. Begin by focusing on your breathing, in and out, slow and deep. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming heavier, more relaxed. The concerns of the day are fading now, receding like distant shorelights as we drift into the infinite ocean of the cosmos. Now, imagine yourself lying on a soft blanket spread across a secluded hilltop. The night is clear and warm, with just the gentlest breeze caressing your skin. Above you stretches the night sky, a vast canopy sprinkled with stars, tiny points of light that have traveled for years, centuries, even millennia to reach your eyes at this exact moment. From your vantage point on Earth, you can see perhaps a few thousand stars with your naked eye. But these visible stars are merely the beginning of our story, a tiny fraction of what exists beyond our view. For within the observable universe, astronomers estimate that there are approximately 2 trillion galaxies, each one containing hundreds of billions of stars, a number so vast that the human mind struggles to comprehend it. As you gaze upward, breathing deeply and rhythmically, let's explore some ways to envision this cosmic abundance, allowing the immensity to wash over you like a calming wave. Imagine you're walking along a beautiful beach at sunrise. The sand stretches for miles in either direction, golden and undisturbed, save for the gentle impressions left by the receding tide. You bend down and scoop a handful of sand, feeling the countless tiny grains falling through your fingers. Each grain is unique, formed over millennia by the patient forces of nature. Scientists have attempted to estimate the number of sand grains on all of Earth's beaches and deserts. The number is staggering, roughly 7.5 quintillion grains. That's a 7.5 followed by 18 zeros, an unimaginable abundance. Yet, as you let that handful of sand filter through your fingers, know this remarkable truth. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches and deserts of our planet. If each grain in your hand represented an entire galaxy, you would still need more handfuls than you could carry to account for the universe we can observe. Let your breathing deepen as you contemplate this scale. The weight of your body against the mattress feels more pronounced now, more settled. The tiny concerns that occupied your mind earlier seem to dissolve in the face of such cosmic perspective. Now, I want you to imagine you're sitting beside a graceful old grandfather clock, its pendulum swinging with perfect, hypnotic rhythm. Each swing marks 1 second passing. The steady rhythm becomes a meditation, a focus point for your increasingly relaxed mind. If you were to count the stars in our universe at the rate of 1 per second, never pausing, how long do you think it would take? This calculation is almost comical in its magnitude. At 1 star per second, it would take you over 100 trillion years to count all the stars we believe exist. For perspective, our universe has existed for approximately 13.8 billion years, less than 1/10 of 1% of the time it would take to complete your count. The pendulum continues its swing, each second representing just 1 star among countless multitudes. Your eyelids may feel heavier now, your thoughts drifting like slow clouds across a summer sky. There's no need to count every star. Simply acknowledge their boundless number and let that knowledge cradle you. Your breath has found its own pendulum rhythm now. In and out, rise and fall. With each exhale, you settle deeper into comfort, deeper into peace. Picture now the miracle of your own body. Within you exists a complex symphony of cells, trillions of them, each one with its own purpose, its own microscopic life cycle. Every second, millions of these cells are replaced, an ongoing renewal that happens without your conscious direction. Your body contains roughly 30 to 40 trillion cells, a number that dwarfs human comprehension. Yet, even this vast cellular universe within you is dwarfed by the stars above. For every single cell in your body, there exist thousands of stars in the cosmos. If each cell in your body represented one entire galaxy, itself containing hundreds of billions of stars, you would need thousands of human bodies to represent all the galaxies in our observable universe. As you ponder this comparison, I want you to feel a sense of connection to the cosmos. The elements that form your cells, the carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and other fundamental building blocks of life, these were all forged in the hearts of ancient stars. We are, in the most literal sense, made of stardust. Your body is a collection of elements that have existed since nearly the beginning of time, temporarily assembled into the form you now inhabit. Your breathing has become even more measured now, your body increasingly heavy against the bed. The boundaries between your physical form and the mattress beneath you seem less distinct, as though you're melting gently into the surface. Imagine now that you're standing at the edge of the ocean at twilight. The water stretches to the horizon, merging with the darkening sky in a seamless gradient of blues and purples. Each twilight wave brings thousands upon thousands of water droplets to shore, only to recede and return again in an endless cycle. All of the Earth's oceans combined contain approximately 5 times 10 to the 25th drops of water, a 5 followed by 25 zeros. This number exceeds the estimated stars in our universe, which astronomers place at around 10 to the 24th, or a 1 followed by 24 zeros. Yet, the comparison helps us approach the true scale. Imagine each drop in all of Earth's vast oceans representing a star. Even this enormous number falls short of the cosmic reality. The rhythmic sound of waves washing ashore merges with the rhythm of your breathing. In and out, advance and retreat. Your consciousness begins to drift with the tides, carried on gentle currents toward the shores of sleep. Let your imagination expand further. Picture yourself taking a journey on foot, a single step for each star in the universe. How far would this stellar pilgrimage take you? If you walked the circumference of the Earth at the equator, approximately 24,901 miles, you would need to circle the planet more than 10 billion times to take a step for each star. If you took one step every second without stopping, this journey would require more than 300 billion years, over 20 times the current age of the universe. Your cosmic pilgrimage would take you around the earth over and over, through changing seasons and centuries, through the rise and fall of civilizations, through the slow dance of continents, through the evolution of species, step by step, star by star, an endless journey beyond human comprehension. As your mind contemplates this impossible journey, your body grows even more still, even more peaceful. The weight of your eyelids increases, and perhaps they've already closed, allowing you to see these cosmic visions on the canvas of your imagination. Consider once more the grains of sand, the ticking seconds, the cells within your body, the drops in the ocean, the steps around the world. Each one of these comparisons offers a glimpse of cosmic scale, yet none can fully encompass the true abundance of stars that illuminate our universe. Now, let your awareness expand beyond these comparisons to embrace the quality of the stars themselves. Each star is a furnace of immense energy. Many, like our sun, are nurturing systems of planets in their life-giving warmth. Around some of these countless worlds, intelligent beings may be looking up at their own night skies, contemplating the same exact vast cosmos that now fills your thoughts. Some stars you see tonight no longer exist. Their light has traveled so far that by the time it reaches Earth, the star itself has already completed its life cycle. Some are newly born, their light just beginning a journey that will continue long after our brief human story has concluded. The light from distant galaxies has traveled for billions of years across the expanding universe to reach your eyes at this exact moment, on this exact night. Your breath has become the gentle rhythm of near sleep now. Your thoughts are beginning to lose their distinct edges, blending into one another like watercolors on damp paper. The infinite stars above merge with the infinite potential of your dreams. I invite you now to release even these cosmic contemplations. Let go of the counting, the comparisons, the attempts to comprehend the incomprehensible. Instead, simply rest in the knowledge that you are a conscious part of this magnificent universe. A universe of such abundance that we can only approach its true nature through poetry and metaphor. Feel yourself floating now among the stars, cradled in the gentle arms of the cosmos. The weight of your body against the bed becomes less and less perceptible as your consciousness begins its nightly journey into the universe of dreams. The stars will continue their silent burning while you sleep, their light traveling across unimaginable distances. Galaxies will continue their stately spiral through the cosmos. The universe will continue its mysterious expansion, all without effort, all without hurry, all without worry. And you, a child of this star-filled cosmos, can release now into the embrace of sleep, carried on currents of starlight into dreams. Perhaps in these dreams you'll continue your journey among the countless stars, free from the limitations of physical form and human comprehension. Your breathing has found the perfect rhythm now. Deep, slow, peaceful. Your body has discovered perfect stillness. Your mind has released its grip on waking consciousness and hovers at the threshold of sleep. As you cross this threshold, carry with you this final thought. You exist in a universe of such abundance that even our most ambitious attempts to count its treasures fall short. And yet, within this infinite cosmos, you are unique, a singular awareness experiencing the wonder of existence, if only for a brief moment in cosmic time. Sleep now beneath the canopy of 2 trillion galaxies, each filled with hundreds of billions of stars. Sleep, knowing that you are both infinitesimal and infinite, a conscious fragment of a universe that has evolved the capacity to wonder about itself. The counting of stars will continue without you tonight. The cosmic pilgrimage can wait for another day. For now, there is only this perfect moment of transition, this gentle surrender to sleep, this peaceful merging with the infinite. Drift now, like the stardust carried on solar winds. Float like a water droplet in the cosmic ocean. Journey like light across the expanding universe. Sleep well, cosmic traveler. Sleep well. Good night.